Hello everyone and welcome back to AI Made Simple. Today I'm bringing you a video that will truly surprise you. At first glance, what you're seeing might look real, but it's not. You might assume it was created by Google or OpenAI, but the truth is different. This comes from a hidden powerhouse in the AI race, a tool that has quietly surpassed the biggest names. Here's the catch, it isn't free for everyone. After days of research, I uncovered a trick, a loophole that gives you full access for free and without limits. This isn't a standard feature, it's a backdoor. And if you follow the exact steps I'm about to reveal, you'll unlock everything. Forget about paying for credits, this method changes the game. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. Today, I'm not just showing you a tool, I'm showing you the secret way in. Let's go. And listen before I give you the keys to the kingdom. If you appreciate that I'm digging deep to find these kinds of secrets, do me a quick favor. Hitting that subscribe button, giving the video a like, and ringing that little bell is completely free for you, but it allows me to keep creating this kind of high-value content. I'm putting a ton of work into this, and your support is genuinely appreciated. Alright, the tool is called Sedance, and the company behind it, ByteDance, the guys that run TikTok. So, while the entire internet was losing its mind over Google's new V3, they were in the shadows building the model that would actually beat it. It's cleaner, the movement is flawless, it just feels real in a way the others still don't. But enough talk. How do we pull off this trick? It's a 3-step infiltration. It's easy, but you have to do it exactly like I show you or it won't work. Step 1. Go dark. Fire up a VPN. You absolutely need one for this. I'm using NordVPN. I dropped a link for it in the description. Now you need to connect to any country in Africa. Literally anyone will do. I'm just gonna go with Nigeria. This right here is the master key. Step 2, the alias. While you're connected, head over to their platform Dreamina.ai. Links also below. Look to the top right and click sign up. Now, I did this with a Google account. So my advice is to use a Google account that you've never used on Dream before. It's a sure bet. You can use a fake date of birth, close any pop-up windows they throw at you, and once you're in, you'll see it. 0 credits. This is the key. If you see 0 credits, it's working perfectly. And I know what you're thinking. Okay, great. I have 0 credits, but the generator is locked. It says it's not available in this country. So now what? That is the final part of the trick. Now, we go back to the VPN for step 3, the switch. I've tried this with a bunch of countries in Europe and it works fine. So for this, I'll just switch my connection over to the UK. Now, refresh the Dreamina page and boom, the entire platform just unlocks. The price for every single video you make is now 0. Welcome to unlimited power. So what can we actually do with it? Okay, before we start generating, check out your control panel here. You've got 2 video models to pick from. Always choose the latest one. It's the best. You can set your video length 5 or 10 seconds. And of course you've got all the aspect ratios. 16:9 for YouTube, 9:6 for your shorts. You get the idea. Alright, let's start with a simple one. Text to video. I'll just type a penguin at the beach. Hit generate. And there at island. A perfect 4 kelvins clip in seconds. It's all yours. But that's basic. Let's direct a movie. I'm gonna write one single sentence with 3 different scenes. Cinematic shot of a foggy mountain sunrise. Cut to a lone figure in a neon-lit Tokyo alley. Cut to waves crashing on a black sand beach. Hit generate. Look at this. It gets it. It understands story. It knows what cinematic means. This isn't just a tool. It's basically your co-director. And get this. Once the video is done, you can do even more. If you click on it, new options pop up. You can add frames to make it smoother, enhance the quality, or generate a soundtrack. Let's test that. I'm telling the AI to make some music for this clip right now. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, time for the real test. I'm going straight to Google's official V3 website. As you can see, they provide the exact prompts they used for their famous demos. Now, let's be real. They probably took 100 tries to get those perfect shots, but I'm going to take their prompts and try them in Seance, first try only. Let's see who's really on top. Music. Ready for the craziest part, the talking avatars. So on the platform, look to the right of the video generator. You'll see the AI avatar tab. Click it. From here, you just upload a picture. I'm literally going to screenshot the guy from the official VO demo. Now you get 2 modes, fast and master. Just use master. It's way better and still free for us. For the lip sync, you can type your text right here or even upload an audio file. I'm typing in the exact same line from the VO demo. Full disclosure, I didn't even try to find a voice that sounds like him. But just watch the realism of the Lit This Ocean. It's a force, a wild, untamed might. She captures your attention instantly, and now that same power is in your hands. With this AI tool, you can animate any image, generate unlimited B-roll, create a full ad campaign from a single sentence, and even make a digital human say exactly what you want. The old rules of content creation no longer apply. The power isn't theirs anymore, it's yours. All helpful links are provided below, so go ahead and start creating the impossible. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll never miss the next video. Thanks for watching.